Now I have my leg propped up on the foam roll. What are you going to do? Oh, those toes. Wonder if I should just go after those toes. They're moving. Let's see. What am I going to do? Thinking of doing a dive. Well, where are you going, Bean Brain? Oh, there you go. Why don't you take a walk up the leg and not peck at my feet, huh? What do you think? Gonna think about it? You gonna think about it, huh? What? What? Kinda nice to be out of your house? Huh? A new view of you? Oh boy, here we go. Up the yoga pants. Oh boy. Is that a better view of the TV too? No biting. Ow! Queenie. When you hear me say ow, that means you're hurting me. Hey, Belly. Hi, silly, silly. We can think about it, huh? Think about where you're going to go? Oh, back to the biting, huh? Hey, be nice. There you go. That's not so bad, huh? A little bit softer on the feet. What? What? Oh, getting brave, huh? Brave. Where are you going to go? Where are you going to go? Huh, Scooby-Doo? No biting. Although I know you will. Oh, here she comes again. Like to switch your path a little bit? You kind of like it here? Huh? You kind of like it here? I gotta rest my head, Queens. Oopsie, there goes my glasses. There we go. There we go. Now come see the camera. Come see the camera. How about your remote? No, there's a remote here. Look at this, there's a remote. Oh boy, there's your remote. Oh boy, hope it doesn't slip off. Yeah, it's your remote. You enjoy your little adventure out?